this is our factory and this is our office building. Hi, please follow me inside the building. We are having a meeting here. And here are our domestic office. Please check our R&D center. And these are our certificates. And here we can see we have FDA and CSGS. All kinds of the certificates. Here we come to the R&D center. Here are our labs and the check. They are doing all kinds of tests here for our diapers and for us. Hi, we are now in the application research lab and we are doing the testing for elastic